Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tushar Jhaveri, past president of NACE International. Welcome to PinCon, our special conference by India Section North Zone on pipeline integrity management. Most of you are aware that NACE and SSPC have recently merged, and the new name for our association is the Association for Materials Protection and Performance. I'm going to share with you the impact of this merger and show you the picture of our future. AMPP is now the leading source for materials protection and performance information, standards, education, certification, and contractor accreditation. We are now structured around its global membership from bylaws to committees to ensure inclusive perspective in the development of programs, standards, services, etc. Larger, more widespread membership strengthens political advocacy influence on behalf of industry. And this is going to be a big plus of our merger. Over time, certification programs will be combined to enhance the value of all certifications to both certified personnel and specifiers of the certifications. With regard to the certifications, all current SSPC and NACE personnel certifications will continue to be recognized and supported through the combination process. Certification programs that overlap will be consolidated. Existing certification holders will be provided a path to recertify into the continuing program when their certification comes due. Until the AMPP certification program is launched, the cardholder will recertify under the respective program. And until the certification program is launched, a cardholder who holds two overlapping certifications will be required to renew in only one of the certification programs. Standards. All existing standards that bear the NACE or SSPC name will continue to be used without change. Any new standards developed following the merger will bear the AMPP name. You will agree the complexity of the standards governance and determining a decision tree and developing a timeline will require work to continue into 2021. Membership. As of Jan 11, 2021, current membership renewing and new members will have dual membership and access to both organizations' benefits and services while the merging process continues and until all components of each organization are completely merged into AMPP. There are three tiered options for corporate members and two main options for general members, as well as a lifetime option for members over the age of 65. A young professional membership option for members under the age of 35, and a student's option. All have varying levels of benefits and pricing. Sections and chapters. All chapters and section activities will continue to operate as usual until late 2021. AMPP's communities of interest will be launched later this year to allow members to engage globally with industry professionals who share interests. Conferences. The Corrosion 2021 will be a virtual conference in April. The Coatings Plus will take place in December. And the new combined conference for AMPP will be held from March 6th to 10th, 2022 in San Antonio, Texas. So AMPP by numbers. The merger is going to make us stronger and even more viable. We will have 40 plus thousand members in 130 countries, 1,200 corporate members, 400 plus technical committees with 6,000 plus volunteers, 4,000 standards and technical reports, 1,021 education courses, 7,418 of online students, 583 certified instructors, 12,505 students in 51 countries, 63,824 certifications. So as you can see, we are not only a larger, but we are going to be a stronger organization and we will be able to support our membership even more and provide even more benefits and value additions for our members. We look forward to your continued support to the association. And with this introduction, I thank you all for your attention and look forward to interacting with you all during PinCon, and hope you have a very interesting and useful time attending this first virtual conference by NACE in India. Thank you very much.